day everyone, I'm Mrs. Brown Johnson and I will be showing you today how you go about using the application Edpuzzle. Now you need to have an open browser. You are going to go ahead and type in edpuzzle.com. Then you are going to go ahead, of course, and select Edpuzzle. Once you select that, you should be prompted to or brought to a page where you'll be prompted to sign in or to sign up. And so I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. I'm a teacher. Information is already preloaded, and so I'm going to log in. So Edpuzzle is an application that can be used to create your own video or to reuse videos that are created by other teachers. You can also edit the videos to add in questions, and I will just show you how I go about doing that. Well, I'll show you a video that's already done so you can see how that was done. So you would have gone to my content and you are now seeing this video naming simple alkanes, which is a video that was reused by myself that I found on Khan Academy. So I went ahead and I clicked on edit, and you will see the option to edit the video where you can basically put in a note, you can put in open-ended questions at different points in the video to test how much the student has learned. Once you can also do a voiceover. You can cut certain aspects of it if you feel that that information is not relevant to your student, as I said here. Once you are done, you are finished, and of course you can choose to assign. You can also make it public or private. You can share preview with your colleagues so that they can see what you're doing and probably make some changes if needed. And you can also duplicate and assign. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select assign. Once I select assign, I would have already had a class here. Though there are no students, you can click on this and you can assign the lesson to them. And that is just a simple way of how you can go about using Edpuzzle to upload or to share videos that are already uploaded.